Okay, to get a complete understanding of my point of view, this is the headliner swayed down. This is the driver's side visor area, the handle, back seat handle, and the rear quarter. So, as you remember, we mounted the box technically where this pillar is going to be at. So we know that the fiber cables are going to come up about right here. So we need to go ahead and get the wires or the fibers in that rough position, and then we could start mounting and drilling holes out. Okay, and as you can see, I have it hanging off about a foot, which would be plenty. Again, the box can be readjusted on where we mount it, so we're going to go ahead and run it this way. Alright, so I'm sure the progress updates so far, got a lot in here. It's harder to see, but it's all in this area too. So something I'm doing, because I don't want there to be too many clusters in one location, so I found an empty spot, place my hand. If I can feel a cable like I can here, just keep rotating until I can't feel one at all. And then right in the center, I'm putting one of the fibers. I'm just doing that to try to keep it as spaced out and not clustered as possible. But there are areas where I do have it clustered, but for the most part, I'm trying to avoid that. And this is the headliner from underneath. This is what you would normally see. We have to cut all of the strands now since they're all inside the holes, but it looks like Christmas in here. It's really cool. Okay, so as you can see, all the fibers are laying down where they need to be. So what we're gonna do is, I have most of these pulled down as much as they can go, and that was just to make sure that they're in 100%. But now that we're ready for the gluing phase. Okay, so after about an hour, I have all the visible portions glued in. Not everything will be like glued in because like this is all bunched up here. There's a couple cables that go in there. They're not going to go anywhere because this is there. But yeah, all the dots you can see is where the hot glue was used. And that's where the fiber's going in, so you can kind of get an idea what it's roughly going to look like.